All right, so I'm going to show you how to fill out your budget spreadsheet for this project. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go back to the document from last class titled the Google Sheets Budgeting Planning Meals. You're going to need to open that document separately. So let me do that real quick. Okay. Mine's not going to be completely filled out, but yours should be with your 3 meals and all of your ingredients. Then what you are going to do is you're going to come back to today's assignment. All right, you're going to open the attached Google Sheet here and begin to list your ingredients in the column provided. You can do this in an easy way where you copy and paste everything over, but what I'm going to say to you, and you'll see in my example here, you do not need to list the amounts of the products that you need. So you'll just type in like 1 pound of chicken, salt, pepper, eggs, breadcrumbs, so on and so forth from my example of the chicken parm. Then what you will do, once you have them typed in, so you need to do this for meal 1 here, meal 2 here, meal 3 here, and as you're adding things, it will change the price, the total price right here, and tell you how much your entire meal is going to cost. So you'll go to either of the 2 websites that I gave you, one for Acme, one for ShopRite. If you want to use another store, you're more than welcome to, but I'm only going to show you how to use Acme and ShopRite. So if we're going to Acme, for example, let's go to some of my ingredients. So I need a package of chicken. Okay, so chicken breast. All right. And I'm going to need how much chicken breast? At least 1 pound. Okay. So I'm going to look for my chicken breast. So there's going to be multiple options that show up. Okay. So here is actually 3 pounds of chicken breast, and this is going to be $10.47. So what I would do is, if this were where I was going to add my chicken breast, I would put the cost at $10.49. Was it 47 cents? $10.47. So fix that real quick. $10.47. And then I would move on to my next ingredient. So I think it was panko breadcrumbs. All right. So instead of showing you now on on Acme, I'm going to go to ShopRite as well, just so you have 2 different options to choose from. So chicken breast. I know, I'm looking at breadcrumbs. I lied. Panko. Oh. Breadcrumbs. All right. And I'm going to look for the best price. So I'm just going to do these ones, $1.59. And I would add this here. You will then continue to do this for all of your ingredients. I'm not going to do that for you right now. And you'll see that the total price is going to keep going up as you're doing this. You will see you need to do this for each of the 3 meals. Okay. Make sure you fill out all the ingredients for everything. Make sure you're also buying enough of the ingredient. So another resource I gave you here on Classroom is this image right here that says how many ounces in a cup. So if it calls for example, I need 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. I know that 1/4 cup will be 2 ounces. So I need to get at least 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. So make sure when you're looking at a product, so I'll do this mozzarella cheese as my example. Okay. Make sure you're buying enough of that. So this is, for example, let me see if I can find one that just says 8 ounces. So this is 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That'll be enough. So that would be $3.49. All right. So use that as one of your resources as well. The other part of this project that you're going to have to do, okay, is you're going to have to do either an extras, okay, or a bonus meal with a budget. So for the extras, you're going to need at least 15 items, and you have $100 to spend. You cannot go over the $100. So if this goes into the negative, you need to delete something and change it. So you're going to need 15 items. That will be all the way down here to this number 16. So make sure you do that. The other option is you can look up another recipe. So this would be another meal, okay? And when you do the other meal, you have to make sure it costs under $35 to make the meal. You can use any spices and things you already bought, but like the things that you would need for the meal. So say we were doing chicken parm once again, you would need your chicken, you need your cheese, all those different types of things, but it cannot be one of the meals that you've already done. The rubric is here for you. I'm going to go over this during class, but if you weren't here for class or you missed it or you don't remember, just check out the rubric so that you have that for you. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know.